The hot hold should be cleaned daily after turning it off, unplugging it, and letting it cool down. Start by removing the food pans. Then remove the front panel and the reversible inserts. Clean these with a soft cloth, dampened with warm, soapy water. Do not use abrasive cleaners. Do not damage the dry moist labels. Wipe down the internal holding area of the hot hold with a damp, not wet, soft cloth. Do not let any liquid or moisture enter the air outlet or air inlet openings. If the unit is heavily soiled, carefully spray a non-abrasive cleaner degreaser, such as Simple Green, on the heavily soiled spots and wait 3 to 5 minutes before wiping it clean. Wipe the interior and the outside in the grain direction of the steel. It is left to right internally and on top of the hot hold. It is from top to bottom on its sides. When cleaning the louvers, always wipe downwards to prevent any particulates or liquid entering the interior of the hot hold. After cleaning, insert the reversible dry moist inserts back in the correct position and reattach the 2 front panels. Please refer to the cleaning instructions in the operator's manual. Not following or neglecting these instructions and procedures may result in reduced food holding times, reduced performance and reliability, and may void the warranty. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us by phone, email, or at meistercook.com.